Hi there, you beautiful people out there. How are you doing? I hope you guys are doing some productive stuffs out there. Now in today's video, I will be doing a comparison between the brands of coconut water. I will be showing Raw Pressory coconut water and Real Active coconut water. So the comparison will be done in three ways. First is the packaging and quantity. Second is the pricing. Third is the taste, whether it has artificial flavor in it or whether it tastes exactly like coconut water or not. So without any further delay guys, let's jump into the video. Now guys, before jumping into the video, let me mention it to you guys that this is not a sponsored video or not a paid video as well. The products are purchased by me. If it is a sponsored or something related to that, I will definitely mention it to you guys. So let's jump into it. The coconut water has a lot of food value to it and it combats dehydration. But you know, now in today's hectic schedule, coconut water may not be easily available to us. First of all, it is not travel friendly. No, you have to go to the vendor shop, cut it down in a sealed packet and have it at home. You can't carry it anywhere and it's too big to carry, right? So there are various brands out there who produces coconut water. Now I will be comparing two brands as I mentioned earlier. Now the first point of comparison is the packaging and the quantity. Now this is the Raw Pressory coconut water. The packaging is really simple with coconut images. They have kept it really basic and simple, no fussy images or something, really basic and simple, which I actually quite like, and it is quite handy. As you can see, it's really handy and it can get into your bag anywhere without making a huge, but without taking a huge space. Now if I come to the Real Active one, then the Real Active one looks like this. It is also really eye-catching and eye-soothing, and it also doesn't take much of the space in your bag. Now if I keep this side by side, then you will see that this one is a bit taller than this one. The quantity of both the coconut water is 200 ml. Only the packaging is a bit taller and this is a bit shorter. Now the second point of comparison is the flavor, whether it has artificial flavor or not, how is the color and so on. So let's first see the Raw Pressory one and we will see the Real Active one next. So this is the inside packaging. We have to open the seal.
The seal quite
Oh my god, the seal is so tough, you guys. Okay, anyways, let's just pour this one. Very much similar to our coconut water, and the smell is absolutely like fresh coconut water out of your coconut. So let me just keep it aside and see the Real Active one. So this is the Real Active one, and it also has a seal to it. Why are all the seals so tough, dude? I mean, come on. Not everyone is Hercules. Finally got it. So this is the Real Active and this is the Raw Pressory one. Now the color is really similar, not much of a change of color, quite similar to the coconut water, as if it has been taken out from the coconut. So let's see the aroma. Now this absolutely smells like coconut water, but in the Real Active one, I feel I don't know, seems much on the sweeter side, like as if a lot of sugar free or sugar has been added to it. Let's see the taste. So the Real Active, it does taste a little bit artificial than the Raw Pressory. The Raw Pressory has that natural sweetness, that natural smell, that natural texture. I mean, not texture, but that the thickness, the consistency that coconut water has, it's really similar to the coconut water, the raw, that natural coconut water. But if I come to the Real Activ one, then the Real Activ one kind of tastes a bit artificial, not that exactly coconut water that we taste. It's a bit much on a sweeter side, much the flavor is a bit different, and the consistency is also a bit a little bit thick than the usual coconut water. Let me just have a taste from the bottles. Well guys, I would suggest that you should pour the coconut water in a glass or in a bowl and have it, and not just like this, because the taste I won't say differs, but I didn't feel quite right in just gulping it down from the bottle. Now yes, the taste is a bit different here than this one. It tastes much more natural, much more simple coconut water than this one. I don't know, it tastes a bit artificial. It's a bit sweeter. Usually coconut water has that natural sweetness, but this sweetness is not that natural sweetness that we get in a coconut water. It's like as if the sugar or sweetener has been added to it. So I guess if you want to have coconut water, I think this one is the best if you go for the flavor. It is written here that it's low calorie product and fat free product, and it's 100% tender, just as it is intended to be, but the taste says something different. I mean, low calorie, I don't know, low calorie coconut water, like coconut water is coconut water, how can it be of naturally low calorie product? It definitely does not exactly taste like coconut water. Now coming to the Real Activ one, then the Real Activ coconut, it says that coconut water or nariyal pani is the perfect way to hydrate yourself anytime, anywhere. It packs in electrolytes and leaves you feeling cool inside. Maybe that's why we are loco for cocoa, and all natural, all taste, all nutrition, all fresh, all good, no artificial, no added sugar, no concentrate, no preservatives, no lice, no bad, all good. Well, I guess what they claim is kind of true, because it actually does taste like coconut water, and not that there is no artificial sweetness to it, and the consistency is also right in here. Now coming to the pricing, well, this one is for 60 rupees for 200 ml, and this one is for 40 rupees 200 ml. Now for natural coconut water, the pricing differs from 35 to 40 to 50 to 60. So I think if you want to invest in a good coconut water, then I would say you should go for the raw pressery one instead of the Real Activ. I would say okay, not too much, not less. They are demanding almost good pricing, and yes, this is one a bit pricey than this one, but the flavors are packed here than this one. Now let's come to the final comparison. Okay, now if I come to the packaging and quantity, then the quantity is absolutely same and the packaging is good for both of them. Now if I come to the taste, then absolutely I will go for the raw pressery one, because the flavor, the taste, the sweetness, everything is natural, everything is almost at par with the normal natural coconut water. Whereas the Real Activ one, it has a kind of, as I said, a bit of sweetener added to it. There is a kind of a smell to it, and the consistency is also a bit different, a slight bit different from the raw pressery or from the natural coconut water that we are talking about. Now the third category, that is the pricing. Well, the pricing is the raw pressery is a bit higher than the Real Activ. So my final verdict is that if I had to go for coconut water in a bottle, then I would definitely go for the raw pressery one, because it has that natural taste to it. There is no artificial flavor to it, which I didn't like in the Real Activ one. The Real Activ one does taste like artificial flavorings to it, and both are though easy to carry, but the raw pressery is on a much higher position than the Real Active one if I compare it only with the flavor, because the flavor is the main thing here. So guys, I hope you like the comparison. If you have tried out any of the brands that I have mentioned today, let me know in the comment section below. If you want me to do any comparison video, then drop down your suggestion in the comment box. I will definitely try to do it for you guys. If you like my video, then give a thumbs up button and share them among your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Let's just increase our family and spread love, spread joy, spread happiness and knowledge, and vice versa. So I will be seeing you in my next video. Till then, tata bye bye guys. Love you.